Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix error on Messenger not network. So simply you can find the no network option when your Wi-Fi or your data connection is off. So in this way your Messenger is unable to approach on internet. So in this way you can find this error. So now we are going to open our Messenger here. So simply continue, not now, okay. So here you can see our internet is on and our Messenger is connected. There is no network option is appeared here. So simply if you cannot find the solution again, you can simply click on app info. Here you can also clear all your data and you can also uninstall the Messenger app. You can reinstall it. So you need to active your data. So in case of your data is active, so there is no network issue problem on Messenger.